Aditya here, and today we are gonna make a game that is called a car racing game. We have never ever made car racing game in our channel. You can see our channel, but today we are going to make it. So let's go. It will be very fun. You can also play it with your friends and family. That's a good ambitious thing. So I this is the concept screen I am showing how the output, how the game will look like if we made it. Okay, let's start. Yo. Whoa. As you can see, it the touches the balloon. It says that the purple car wins. Will explain you everything, but just go to the new first. Okay, we are here. Go to the sprites. Take the cat flying. You can take. Oh, sorry. You can take any person like that. I am taking the cat flying. It will command all the things and it has to do a lot. Okay, so you can say that the cat flying is the main thing. Now we will put some commands. Put it here. When click, then here in the looks, take this say hello one for I think 4 times. Yeah, 4 times. And here you have to put ready, get, here, set. Means it is saying that ready, get, set, go. Yeah. As you can see, it just worked. It is saying ready, get, set, go. Well done, cat. Okay. Now, I think we should check out some backgrounds. So I can search a city because every match is there in a city. Oh, this is a very good city. Colorful city. Wow. Okay. So let's go. Now I will put more characters like a balloon. You can take anything. You can. I am taking the balloons as the finishing line. Okay. You can take. You can make a finishing line. You can take anything like, for example, you can take a ball. When you touch that ball, the car which first does that ball will win. Okay. So I will put here this and here this. I will resize them and mark the size 50 as they are too big for their places. Oh, cool. As you can see, I put it there in the both. And one thing I will do, go to the costumes and then wait, it's loading. Oh wait, it's not coming. Yes, it came. Okay. Now you can take here, go here in the colors and take this options and take this option. Okay. Now you have the color that you will use in the car also, because the balloon has the same car color and the same balloon will look very good. That's why. Now we will put the both the cars. Take this one car and again take that one type of car only. Take the both cars, put them here and here. Well done. In this one car, we will make its color. I have already selected the color from the purple one, so it is easier for me and not time. I am not time wasting in choosing the color. So that's good. That's why I take that. Okay. Whew. So much things are ready, and I will firstly put the codes and explain you how to do what to do. Now here you can see they are standing on the place, but let's say I take the when clicked and say move 10 steps. Okay, so it just done, and when I say again the green flag, then it is there only, but I want it again come to the finishing, I mean the starting line. So that's the method. So we will use the go to this. So, and here the position of this, we will take the when click from events and motion, from motion we can take the go to one, and let's go. So as you can see, the both cars are there on the place only. Now we'll put more code. Then we will broadcast a message also. Okay, we'll broadcast a message that the game is started. In the events, go to the events, take this broadcast message, put this. Wait. All messed up. Yeah, now good. New message. Write the start game. Oh, start game. Okay, click OK and yes. Wait, just wait. Just got a spelling mistake. Message went. Oh no. Delete this. Remove this. A new message that is start game. Oh, now good. And now in the cars, go to the cars again. Where it's loading. I don't know why it loads so much. Let it do. Okay, now we can make the code for that. Okay, so when I receive start game, taking the controls forever and take the wait until one, and again take the wait until one, but this time take the operators, take the not one, and here in the sensing, right key. For the green we can take the right key, the both side you can take this right and right. Yes, the right key is pressed, move 10 seconds, and in controls you can go and take the if then. As always we take the if then is very important, guys. If then forever, and the when clicked is the basic, very important basic necessity for scratch. Okay, now here is the balloon one. Again go here and broadcast. Where I go, in the events, taking the events, broadcast green, new message, that is green. Green car. Wait, I think we should do it later. We will do it later. I think we should do it now. And we should broadcast new message, green car wins. Okay, duplicate this, put it in our the second car. Wait, we put it in the where it is going. Yeah, it came. Here we will do some changes, like here we will do W, or you want any number, you want any alphabet, any key, you as you wish you can take. So the move 10 stick, but here balloon 2 and new message, that is purple car wins. Oh wait, wins spell, yes. Okay, good, kind of good. Now let's play this game. It will not move till it say goes. Yeah, now it all move. Yes, we are there. Now we are forgetting something, that you will be thinking why this cat flying is not saying that yes the green or the purple car wins, because we haven't put any code for that only, that it should say that this car is win or this car lost. So we will go to the events only, take when I receive, both two when I receive, one is green and one is for purple. Then go to the looks again. Take say green car wins for 2 seconds and just duplicate it. Put it here. Here it says purple car wins. Okay, and we will take some sound effect also, like tada, or let's search tada. Oh, it's there. I just think and it came. So play tada until done. Put this here, this here. Oh, pretty much close. And we will put some engine like that also. That engine is playing do 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 like that. Oh, it's there. This one. Okay, take this, place sound engine until done. In the when click, put it here. Okay. We will put some drum sound also for some cool effects. Let's search drum. This one is cool. Let's take this. Cool. Now put this here when clicked and take the play sound drum. It is a small sound, so we will take wait 0 second. Did you understand why we take wait 0 second? In wait 0 second, it will this will continue goes. Okay. Let's duplicate this. Duplicate this. As you can see, it is playing again and again when we just click this sound, and then at the last start sound the drum. Cool. Now here the balloon should be at the side. Put the side here and this here because the cars are more important, you know. Okay, so cat flying codes I think done, and we are something kind of done, but we have to duplicate this, put this in the green car. Wait. Take this, put here in the green car, then this also in the green car. Take this and put this in the green car. This again in the purple car. It didn't came, so we will give them. Green car wins. It goes, yay! And the purple car wins. Here the both are there. Oh, remove this. Yes. And here in the cat flying, both have the thing. No, it has the green car only. Okay, we'll take the purple car again. Now done. Put this duplicate here, this duplicate here. Good. We are pretty much done. I think almost done. Yeah, I think we are done with it. We are done. Now I will play for you the sound and let's go. Yeah. Go. Purple car wins. Yay. And it just over. I think we should do something that remove this car say that if the car will only say that this car wins, so how can so we can't just judge it. Okay, so remove from both this thing, remove this from this and this. Oh, good. Balloon, we don't have to put any code. And yes, now we are done. And I again show you